If you want to search for information, using the Google website will be a very good start. Visit www.google.com, then press enter. As you open the website, you can start searching for its functions. Example, type in 25 times 25, then press enter or click on the search button. Google then serve as your calculator. 25 times 25 is equal to 625 as shown by the result. You can try other mathematical operations as well. Now, let's have conversion. Let's convert kilogram to pounds. Type in 1 kilogram to pounds, then click on the search button or press enter. The result shows that 1 kilogram is equal to 2.2 pounds. You can also try looking for other conversion units. Through Google, we could also look for the conversion of currencies. Example, type in $1 to Philippine peso. Then click on the search button or press enter. The result shows that $1 is equal to 41.63 pesos. You can try other currencies as well. We could also look for the weather forecast of a certain place. Let's try Lingayen. Type in weather in Lingayen, then press enter or click on the search button. Here are the reports. Let's look for a certain report. We have here weather report for Lingayen. Let's click on it. And it shows the weather forecast for a week. So as of today, May 27, we will experience thunder showers and the temperature will be 31 degrees Celsius. As you scroll down the cursor, you could look for the description of the weather report from the morning up to the evening. Through this, you can also look for the weather forecast or temperature of other places or the weather report for the next day. We have another functions of the Google. It is the advanced search. Example, let's look for a certain topic. History of writing. Click on the search button or press enter. These are the results. More than 1 billion lists are included in this particular topic. Now, if you don't like this format, you can just click on this button. It's like a wheel button. Click on it and then click on advanced search. Then it will look like this. This is the thing you're looking for, history of writing. Scroll down the cursor. Look for the file type. It says here any format, but you could change it into a particular format. For example, a Microsoft Word, a Microsoft PowerPoint, or a PDF file, and others. Let's try the PDF file. Click on it, then click on Advanced Search. As a result, all of the entries are in a PDF format. But if you don't like that, you want a PowerPoint presentation, it's very simple. Just erase the file type, PDF, and change it into a PowerPoint presentation by typing in PPT, a shortcut for PowerPoint presentation. Then click on the search button or press enter. From PDF file, all of the entries now are in PowerPoint presentation. If you want Microsoft Word document, delete the PPT and change it into doc. Then, click on the search button or press enter. So, all of the entries are now in Microsoft Word document. If you want to go back, just scroll on the cursor, then click on advanced search below, and we will undergo the same process. change the file type. Let's try the PDF again. Then click on Advanced Search. There are so many topics about history of writing that is written in a PDF form or PDF file. Let's try the first one, a brief history of writing. It looks like this. This is a PDF file. You can zoom it in or zoom it out. You can print it if you want or just download it to your computer. If you want to download it, click on the download button. You can change the title or the file name, History of Writing. You can save it or just press enter. This file, the PDF file, is now saved on your computer. You can share it to your class or to your co-teachers. These are some functions of the Google website. You can try to explore and discover other functions of this.